Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Toyota GR86 key fob. Here's what you need. One of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. There's a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. It's not absolutely necessary, but I do believe it's helpful. Press this silver button here and pull out your mechanical key. Take your mechanical key and insert it right here. Then pry like this and just be gentle because this spring-loaded piece can fly out. I want to make sure you don't lose that. So go ahead and remove your board, and you can use your mechanical key and insert it right here and get the battery out, but I do think it's easier to go around this side and then pry it out like that. These little tabs here are extremely delicate, so just be gentle while you're doing all this. Load that in, and you can kind of get that locked into place like that before you put your back cover on. Put the back cover on, make sure it's all lined up. You could test it right here, make sure you got your red dot, and replace your mechanical key. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.